Okay, so today we're going to be doing an AC diagnostic test. We're going to be connecting the high and low side of the gauges to the high and low side of the vehicle to see if the vehicle is operating at correct temperature. First, we're going to take off the high side. It's kind of hard to mix them up. They're smaller and larger than the other one. This is the low side. You want to get it on there. You want to jiggle a little bit. You want to connect both of them. Then you want to twist both knobs clockwise to push the Schrader valve down. Alright. The vehicle's off right now, and the gauge on the low side about 68 psi, and the gauge for the high side is reading at about 125. I'm going to cut the vehicle on and read the gauges. Alright, make sure that the AC is on all the way and up high. Alright. The low side is now going up. It's at about in between 35 and 45, and the high side is reading at about 200. So the normal operating
current ambient temperature should be under 75 degrees Fahrenheit.
The ambient temperature is at reading at about 70 degrees, 77 degrees. It's supposed to be about 75. That's not too much of a worry. And the gauges are supposed to be reading at
Low side is 35.
Yep, low side is 35 to 45 psi, and the high side is reading at about 180 right now. So it looks like it's running good. Thank you.